But as the campaigns gear up, so has the virus. We're going to go to Billings, Montana. That's where we find Gabe Gutierrez, because it has been up in the upper Rocky Mountains, the upper Midwest, that has been hit the hardest. The Dakotas, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and yes, Montana. You're in Billings, and Billings is in this. It is like a lot of these larger cities that are surrounded by a lot of rural counties, where they get the patients from maybe a 400 or 500 square mile vicinity, not just from the city of Billings. What are you seeing there with the virus, Gabe?
Hey there, Chuck. Well, yeah, you hit it exactly on the head. This hospital, St. Vincent's Healthcare, we were granted access yesterday to see its ICU, and it's packed at this point. They have 3 COVID ICUs here, and this is, a city that has more than 100,000 people, but yes, it brings in these critical patients from rural areas across the state here in Montana. Now, Montana yesterday reported its second highest daily COVID cases since the pandemic began, and the doctors and nurses we spoke with here, Chuck, they're frustrated. They're frustrated that more people haven't been wearing masks. One of the doctors we spoke with, Chuck, she actually came out of retirement earlier this year, went to New York to help with the pandemic there, comes back to Billings, Montana, and now the virus is knocking on her doorstep here. We also spoke with a nurse, Joey Trawick. His story was really heartbreaking. He's been dealing with this for the last several months. He's self-isolated at home, away from his wife and 3 kids. He sleeps in the basement. He says that he has personally held the hand of 23 patients who have passed away, and he started doing that after his first patient passed away when he wasn't there. Take a listen to some of our conversation.
It's killing me inside. I'm broken. I'm broken. And my colleagues are broken. And people say, it's not that big a deal. And I want to take them by the collar and say, you don't know what you're talking about. Come see my world for a week. The family members that are broken and the staff members that are broken.
That's Joey Trawick, one of the RNs here at this COVID ICU in Billings, Montana. And Chuck, as I said, many of the healthcare workers, not just here, but in other places we have been to this week, El Paso, Minneapolis, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, they are all frustrated that more people haven't been taking some of these public health guidelines seriously, and they warn about what will happen in the months ahead, what will happen when flu season takes hold, what will happen when the winter months come here and it gets colder, more people are inside. Many of them think that at least some of this could have been prevented, Chuck.
Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Beat the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.